Welcome to the mix, and on the mix we have Marcia. Now, Marcia is talking about some things, she's talking about the landlord Erica, because as you know, they have an issue or an ongoing saga on social media. I really believe that you guys, I'm taking the time out to extend, this. I really believe that you guys should, break that saga thing and try to come together as females. We should be uplifting each other. I'm asking both of you to come together and speak about it, because it can be mended. Let's start looking out for each other as females and bring positivity, man. Let us bring positivity. Girlie, I love you. I love you so much, girl. I watch you all the time, and you're such a funny person. Your videos and stuff, like, I really love them. And Erica, I love you too, because I appreciate what you do for those people who are less fortunate as well. And I want you guys just to come together and mend the relationship that's broken between you two, because it can be mended with talking out the misunderstanding that went on with both of y'all. It can be mended, so let us see where we can go with this. And guys, you guys are watching. Have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for making it the mix.
Bloggers in the United States, they know what trouble they can be in. So they're using you as a bait. Lady, you're stupid. They're using you as a bait. So when they're sending all these pictures and all these videos for you to do it, it's because you're in Jamaica, so they believe that you can't get in no trouble. Well, girl, Erica, landlord, Jamaica passed a law too about Facebook bullying and all these things. So don't believe that Jamaica is in a country that is not advanced. They're very advanced, honey. They're with the United States of America too. So if you want to go on Facebook and go take people picture and put up people picture, I will be the first to give those people some extra money to come to Jamaica and sue your ass. I will be the first to come to Jamaica. I will be the first person to draw some money and give to those people to sue you. So if you want to go on Facebook and be a fool and let these people turn you into a fool, take up people pictures, and talking about I'm sleeping with security maintenance man in my village, you make a sad mistake. Security man, if you want to let these bloggers are using you, lady. How much you going to sell your soul for? $50? $100? Are you crazy? If you want to continue your charade, go ahead and continue. Throw the picture out. But I'm telling you, I will be the first person to donate some money to that person to take your ass to court. So if you want to follow those bloggers, letting them taking videos of me and you, because I saw the picture, a video a while ago that somebody sent me from TikTok and send me from, if you want, and all the people them over there, there's people them screenshot and them laughing and laughing. You did not beat me. I whip your ass, lady, and you're so upset. I gave you back a dose of your medicine. Me don't have to cuss the battle tonight. Face the fact that I dust your ass out. And you can't take defeat. Well, girl, you got to take it. Because I ain't argue it no more. But all I'm telling you, if you want to go and dash what you have in the dash or something, I don't care. Whatever you have. You could have my dirty drawers. You could collect some more roaches and dash those motherfucking right out. Take a look at me. I have two sides of family. I have two sides of family in my family. Two significant sides of family. You have the Taylor and you have the Ammon, right? Those are the most, my father's side and my mother's side. My father's side is the Ammon. Yes, the Ammon them face them will answer you. You see the Taylor side? I'm going to start act like a Taylor side. Looking at you, they just go like this. Get the fuck out of here, lady. And who you talk to? You is trash. You ain't nobody. You can talk to me. You can talk to me. I'm gonna turn the Taylor. You is nobody. Lady, you ain't nobody. You're a fool. You are a Facebook clown. You understand me? I'm somebody. You're looking at a star. You motherfucker, one day you'll be sitting in front of your TV and you'll be watching this black girl right here. Singing and dancing and everything. You ain't nobody. You talk about you on Facebook making video with brooms sweeping me out of the house? And I know it's that legendary guy gave it to you? You crazy. Who you think you're talking to? Look at me and look at you, lady. You in no position to deal with me. I just put my ass down for you. I just answer to make you feel important. To put some money in your pocket. I'm sorry for you. I'm sorry for you, honey. That's right. I'm sorry for you. So when you're talking about I should go stand up in a big truck. Oh, I want me do you so bad. I want me do you so bad for you. I tell me big truck figure run me over. How are you so angry? Did I stole your birthright? Was I the one who told you to go around from Europe to Jamaica and abuse your pussy and end up with no retire benefit? Was I the one who was dancing in the nightclub in Montego Bay, wherever you're from? Was I the one who took your ass to Europe and you go to Europe and still did not come out of the box, wore yourself and didn't even come up with no pound? Who do you think you're talking to? Don't put your crosses, trials, and tribulation on me. I live in a country, girl. You understand? I got benefits. I work. I'm working since I'm 17 years old. I pay taxes. So when I reach 65 years old, God help me to get there. Yeah, I'm going to get benefits. I'm going to get my retirement, Social Security, I work. Yeah, I work, girl. I've been living in the country for 41 years now. You ain't got jack. You in Jamaica, you ain't getting nothing more than 2 breadfruit tree and them damn plantain tree you have in your house. Who you think you're talking to? Who you think? Take a look at me. Lady, take a look at me. Take a look at me. Who you think you're talking to? I want you to put out pictures. I want you to put out whatever you have of me. Girl, you don't know who you're fucking with. I'm telling you right now. You don't even know who you're talking to. Do you know who you're talking to? Take a look at me. You know who you're talking to? You're stupid. You ain't nobody. I would waste my motherfucking time to just look at you. You's a despicable people peasant. To hearken to. I have the damn nerve to come on Facebook, but you can't. Shut the hell up. Go sit your ass down. Damn mongrel dog. Sit down. Woof, woof. Sit your fuck down. Motherfucker. Bright. Look at me. Trash, a dirty piece of lady. Damn it. Bright. I'm out of order. Sit your ass down, mongrel dog. Woof. And sit your ass down. Damn piece of germs. Sit your motherfucking ass down and sit down. Bullshit. I call my bright yourself with Marcia Heaverbless. Sit down. Bullshit. You let me hangry just to see the way you look at this disgusting piece of jackass. Oxide. I was just giving you some acknowledgement. He's a damn fool. Bullshit. Oh, you're talking to me. You're talking to me? Who are you talking to? You must be talking to Curly Reincarnation. Get the fuck out of here. Go dash out picture. I tell you, I will be the first person to donate some money to that person. Anybody on Facebook want dash out picture. He shared the whole lady. I would be the first to give that person some money to sue your ass. Get the fuck out of here. Stupid lady. Want to mix up yourself with decent people. Get the hell out of here. Damn piece of chink. You smell like a stinking mongoose. Get the fuck out of here. Blood clad ugly like. Right. You look stink like I had the dog shit. Sit down, move yourself for your mongrel dog. Get the fuck out of here. Kick your ass out of here. Get out of here. Bumbleclot. And shut the fuck up. Get out of here. Who you is? Talking to me. Who are you? You ain't nobody. You're lucky, so I'm sorry for you.